It is indeed a double tragedy in Ihiala today. Unknown gunmen attacked Ebubeagu Global Service with his friends. They buy them, and same unknown gunmen went straight to Ihiala local government and they buy the security operatives right there.
Yeah, and the security had gone to the first one. The local government had it.
Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. Good afternoon, the children of light. I want to tell you that there is no way you will stop seeing us. There is no way you will stop talking about us. There is no way you will stop seeing this face.
So guys, indeed it is a double tragedy in Ihiala because one of the major markets they have in Ihiala, Nkwo, caught fire today. So many goods worth billions of naira were destroyed. So many people are in agony today in Ihiala because of the tragedy that happened today in Ihiala.
As today they pass, and you never see them again, so shall the Nigeria government, Nigeria terrorist group, be passed away forever. I am here this evening to give you hope that the land of Biafra, the holy land of Biafra, the land of the rising sun, can never bow down to any intruder. No matter how many they have. Last time I told you that France have come to help their criminal counterpart, Nigeria government. They have come, but don't worry. As they come, as this year they pass, now so they go follow pass. I want you to know one thing. At the end, Biafra must come. All these things that is happening, it is for our good. Have this in mind, that no matter how hard it is, it can never hard pass us, the children of the land. Now we be the children of the soil. So you want to see my face? Now me be this. I am telling you that you have come into the land of Biafra. As long as you come with the mind to kill the children of the soil. Those who know how to speak French should interpret this talk in French language. Palami, palaso, nabia, you go die. Interpret for them. No two ways about it. Tell the French people. I tell them. I hope they explain, give you well. As you come, now we own land. Now our land we dey. This is the land of
the
our
government of Anambra State have swung into action, saying that he must surely find the people that buy Ebube and his friends, including the security guys. But today, so many people are already crying. Is this the way they are going to end the year 2024? Because today being 30th of December 2024, this is indeed a double tragedy for them. Their goods were burnt in that market. Guys, so many things are happening in Anambra State and in Biafra.
ebe a niile agbago totally down, ọ dịgo down, nwa esi ya wechata ebe a niile adịgo down. Ka ahịa ndị mmadụ ebutegasị. Nkwo niile ada m ejichala. Ya total ihe ala na-agba ọkụ ya total ahịa dị na total Nkwo ihe ala. Nkwo ihe ala. Ebe a niile na-agbapụta ntị. Ọ gbara ntị redio. Ọ gbara ntị.
Guys, this is indeed a very bad day in Ibiala, and so many families are crying today. Some lost their loved ones, while some lost their goods in a fire. In everything, we all say, let God help us all. From the service of Magnetic this TV, all we are saying and what we are preaching is peace. Let there be peace in this land. Let there be peace in Biafra land as a whole. The bloodshed is too much. Thank you all fans for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. We love you. One love. Bye.
Qualquer concurso vai nem
So another update, as today being 30th of December, being sit at home, the last Monday in the year 2024, the last Monday that sit at home will be observed in the year 2024. Next coming Monday will be in 2025. So guys troop up on the street is to celebrate the last sit at home of the year 2024.
Now walk I dey go. Yeah? Roads. Not be small thing. See my area now. God, I beg. Don't be small thing. Today na last Monday of the year. Might see if I can enter this one where they come up. Even though water is also dry, this is a water now. This is warehouse. Even though water is also dry.
Today being the 30th day, being Monday, sit at home. This is how popular Enugu Expressway look like. Very dry. You can see how the express road look like. No vehicle. This is how Enugu Expressway look like. You can see how dry it is. It is the other lane. So dry. Monday 30th December 2024, Enugu Expressway along Akenokwa. Biafrans are observing the road, observing the sit at home. Today is Monday, the 30th day of December 2024. This is popular Akenokwa, Enugu Expressway. Very busy road. You can see how dry it is. Along Akenokwa, Enugu Expressway. As you can see, very dry road. Biafrans are observing the sit at home. Even the other lane is the same dryness. You can see the other lane is a double lane. Very dry. Enugu Expressway by Akenokwa. Still on the sit at home, Enugu Expressway. You can only see few Okadas. Today being the 30th day of December 2024, Enugu Patakota Expressway. As you can see how the road is dry. Biafrans are observing the sit at home. Bagam.
So, and that is why Commander Gentle is there to defend his territory, to defend his people. Are you getting it? To stop this nonsense that is coming from the Fulanis, the strangers in the land, coming to intimidate and to torment. Let them remain in the north and do that nonsense. In our land, in our place. They shouldn't dare. We don't need them, we don't need them. Because with such character they are portraying, it's not a welcome call. In the eastern region, in the Biafra land, it's not a welcome call. We don't want it, we don't need it. How many times have you seen the Biafra and the Igbos going to the north? There in Sokoto, in Zamfara, farmland, surrendering the Fulanis or the house or their people with a
Commander Gentle, and flaunting newly purchased weapon for themselves, you know, as against, they say, the fight against the Nigerian military. But is this good enough? Do you not think that this will cause panic, you know, around the environment where they are, and at the same time, do you not think the Nigerian army will be, you know, angry at this type of, you know, show off on social media?
My beloved brother, I must tell you the truth. Your vice president have already said it. People of the land have to defend their land. I believe that the young man is in his land, defending his land, trying to defend it. Whether he portray new gun or not, or he portray maybe showing, showcasing, listen and listen good. The only thing is that the hatred of Nigeria towards the Igbo people is much, and that is what even give the Igbos more upper hand. Look at those people. In case they don't know, I am telling them now. You understand? Because even Commander Gentle coming out suggesting this, trying to let Nigerian army or whosoever, it's only God and him that knows his mind, what makes him to be fronting and showcasing those weapons on social media, just like Boko Haram, the way those ones are doing, you know. It's only God that knows, and him. But I believe that Gentle is defending his land, his motherland. He doesn't want the penetration and the oppression and the manipulation of the Fulanis, and the intimidation and humiliation of the Fulanis. Are you getting it? In their farmland, in the people, his brothers, family, mothers, old, aged people of the land, the molesting, they are coming to molest them. So Gentle, I believe that Gentle is there to defend those people so that they will have their freedom. Was it not a few months ago, was it last 2 months, that on social media the thing went viral, where herdsmen with the gun, I don't know who purchased gun and give to them, and they use it to surround a man in Enugu State, in his farmland, rice farmland, and they ordered the cow to eat up those crops. Then I ask a question, who will pay? And ever since then till date, federal government have never said anything concerning that. Neither have they paid, nor the state government call Mba. Maybe, I don't know if he has said anything or do anything. And of which, if he has done such, the people would have said so. You understand? So, and that is why Commander Gentle is there to defend his territory, to defend his people. Are you getting it? To stop this nonsense that is coming from the Fulanis, the strangers in the land, coming to intimidate and to torment. Let them remain in the north and do that nonsense. In our land, in our place. They shouldn't dare. We don't need them, we don't need them. Because with such character they are portraying, it's not a welcome call. In the eastern region, in the Biafra land, it's not a welcome call. We don't want it, we don't need it. How many times have you seen the Biafran, the Igbos going to the north, there in Sokoto, in Zamfara, farmland, surrendering the Fulanis or the house or their people with a gun, then use cattle or collect their things, their property by force? Have you ever heard that Igbo man does that to them? Why should they live all the way from there? Do you know the kilometers from the north down to the east? And then you take the kilometer you left your place to come there to carry out such imperable thing, acts. You understand? So, with what Gentle is doing, Gentle is defending the land. I don't see it as any crime.
But you see the Nigerian army declare Gentle wanted, you know, I think 2 weeks ago, they were there in the southeast, ransacking everywhere, looking for, you know, every possible means, you know, to get Gentle. They said this is someone that has been killing, you know, the civilians and the military there in the southeast.
Point of correction, Gentle doesn't kill civilians. Gentle doesn't terrorize the civilians.
According to what I saw,
Commander Gentle doesn't terrorize the innocent.
They said it was even the people had to fled where it was, you know, the location where he stayed.
Let me tell you.
They said he fled that location.
Listen and listen good. Gentle is not disturbing anybody. Commander Gentle is not disturbing innocent people, civilians. Let the Nigerian military come out openly and say the truth, because they have been living with the lies. You understand? If they say that Gentle has been disturbing them, the military, I will adhere that. In fact, I will welcome that. You understand?
Why should you do something like that?